might have come across many top talk shows like Josh Talks, TED Talks, right? But have you ever wondered these could help you in improving your language? It's a big yes. So here I am, RADHI Sudesh. Welcome to EuroConnect. So before giving you a brief idea about how you can convert your entertainment zone to a learning zone, I would like to give you a very short and important note that we recommend you to watch very short videos for this activity, basically about 5 to 10 minutes videos. Now let's go on to the basic steps of this activity. There are 3 steps for this activity. Here are the 3 steps you need to follow in this activity. Step number 1. Watch the video with subtitles. That is, you need to read the subtitles while watching the video. Step number 2. Second time when you watch the same video, the focus should be on the video and the audio and not on the subtitle, which means you need to switch off the subtitle. Concentrate more on the audio and the video. Step number 3. The third and the last time when you watch the video, close your eyes and focus solely on the audio. And that's all about the activity. Now, what do you get from this activity? The benefits that you can reap from this activity. The first and the foremost benefit that I would like to discuss is the improvement you will see in your vocabulary skills. I'm pretty sure that you have come across many words which you have no clue about the meaning, right? But while going through this activity, I'm sure that you've got a clear-cut idea about the meaning, the usage, the spelling, and the pronunciation of the word. And that's the most important benefit of this activity. So the second benefit of this activity is the confidence that it imparts. I'm sure that while going through this activity, you might have gained some knowledge regarding your vocabulary, and there would definitely be an urge to speak and express what's there in your mind. So definitely in turn, it lifts your confidence. The third and the last benefit of this activity is the improvement in the structuring part of the sentence, which I think is a very important thing when it comes to a beginner, structuring part of the sentence, I repeat. So what happens is that you will get a clear-cut idea about where to fix what just by reading those subtitles. So I think this is also one of the most important benefits of this activity. As an important concluding note, what I would like to say is that consistency is the key. So definitely do practice this simple activity religiously so that you can reap the benefits. So hope you all enjoyed our videos. So if you liked our videos and want such useful videos, then definitely do like, share and subscribe our video. So thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.